In this video, we'll show you how to install Harley-Davidson Audio Powered by Rockford Fosgate. Welcome back everyone, I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we're going to show you how to install our new Tour-Pak on a 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited. Now, when upgrading any speakers from the base system, you'll need to install the required primary audio amplifier kit, part number 7600-1294. That's covered in a separate installation video. Now, during the installation process, we may refer you to the product iSheet and the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual. Now, we include a paper copy of the product iSheet with your kit. If you don't have the service manual, it can be purchased through your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Now, to help guide you through the installation, you'll see these icons appear in the lower part of the screen. The first icon will refer to the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual for your make and model. The second icon is for your product iSheet, illustrating the detailed installation process and the tools needed. Now, to get started, we want to remove the main fuse to prevent the motorcycle from accidentally starting. Make sure to disable the security system on motorcycles that are equipped. We'll remove the clutch side saddlebag and service cover to access the main fuse. Okay, now we're ready to remove the base speakers from the Tour-Pak. Start by removing the screws from the grille and speaker from each side. Detach the speaker wires, noting the positive and negative terminals. Refer to your iSheet for removal instructions. Alright, now that we have those removed, we're ready to install the new Tour-Pak speakers. Start by checking the speaker orientation by referencing the product iSheet, noting the different positions on the Tour-Pak versus an upper fairing installation. Next, make your wiring connection on the back of the speaker, noting the positive and negative terminals. Then, insert, align, and secure the speaker and grille assembly into place using the same hardware you removed earlier. Make sure to alternate your screws when tightening and be sure not to over-tighten them. Alright, now we're ready to install our main fuse, service cover, and saddlebag. Now, to prevent any possible damage, make sure that your motorcycle is in the off position before proceeding. Now we're ready to configure the amplifier to recognize your speakers through the SKYLINE OS. Verify you're at the latest software version. You can learn more by looking for software updates at www.harley-davidson.com. With your motorcycle in accessory mode, press the gear icon. Select Sound Settings. Scroll down to Speaker Setup. Once the dialog appears, click Yes to continue. Press Speaker Configuration. Then select the appropriate stage where each speaker is located. Be sure to only select the speaker stage that you've installed, as selecting a different stage may cause speaker damage. Once you're done, press Start Test. When you're ready to begin, press OK. SKYLINE OS will walk you through selecting the appropriate speaker that's generating audible pink noise. Once completed, you will be prompted to turn the power off for 60 seconds, then turn it back on. Once rebooted, you can confirm your configuration by pressing Speaker Status. As you can see, that install was very straightforward, right? If you have any questions or prefer a professional do the installation, please don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.